Hi, this is Shannon with Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. This is an unboxing for the Color Street ColorPlay February subscription box called Lost in a Daydream. So fair warning, if you do not want to see the contents of the box, to stop this video and wait until you get your box, I guess, to come watch it. But we are going to, so this is the spoiler alert. We are going to check out what is inside the Lost in a Daydream box. So this one had a little sneak peek of what the free item was this time. And we're gonna, all right, so actually we'll do that first because, oh, they're little brain, oh, look at that. It fits like, okay, so one good thing is they don't have all that little paper stuff, the like straw stuff, whatever. All right, so these are little uh, nail strip removal clips. I think they're just the same as any other. They look pretty much the same. So I used my somebody told me, I can't remember who it was, but because I only use my clips usually for my pedicures to remove those, and to get the cotton ball to stay on my big toe, I flip it over like that. But it is kind of hard because your big toe is usually bigger than this part. But that's how I do it because it helps I can get my toes done if I flip it over. All right, so we'll put that to the side. Let's move this and let's start looking at the strips. So I'm going to put that off to the side. We don't need this. All right, so these are labeled. So Lost in a Daydream, they said it was kind of holographic, I thought, and kind of ethereal. So this is Hollow Glam. No idea what we're gonna look at. All right. Ooh. All right. So this looks like a. Is it a kind of a periwinkle blue? Definitely like hollow. Do you see? You can totally see how the color shifts. It kind of looks like lavender to like lavender or periwinkle to more of a blue, but very light, like slate blue kind of. It's super pretty, super sparkly. I kind of dig this one, you guys. I like that. So Hollow Glam. All right, we'll set that one down. Cyber Pink. Okay, some dual-ended French glitter French tips, but dual-ended. Kind of similar, kind of a mauve glitter pink, but dual-ended. So you could use this curved end or the French tip. Click Fate instead of clickbait. Click Fate. Oh, this is the box design, isn't it? So this is the real. Oh, again, it has like that flash, that gold. Do you see the gold shift when the light hits it a certain way? And then kind of, right? This is what the box is. Let me look here. Yeah, so this is like matches the design on the box. So in that pinks and purples, soft. I think this is kind of a fun design. All right. And then what is this one? Static Bliss. So like last box, it's 4 full strips. Very interesting. They didn't give us a clear as day with the French. Oh, this might be an overlay. I bet you it is. Static Bliss. This is a Prism Effects. I bet you this is a Prism Effects overlay. Kind of looks like Peaked by Luminosity, but it picks up the blues, bluey purple colors, where Peaked by Luminosity really picked up kind of the limey green, yellow, and oranges. So this is definitely blues, purples, pinks kind of that it catches. But let's see if that is a clear overlay. All right. I don't know. All right, Lost in a Daydream. Oh, so they're pairing the tips with these. I'm not sure that's my style, but all right, it says so Hollow Glam, which is this one. They describe it as a shimmer blue with a peach flash. So I was reading it kind of as purpley, but they're saying it's a peach flash. So I guess I can see that, if you can see the contrast between the flash. The Cyber Pink, let your dreams run free with these bubblegum dual-ended French tipped coated in holographic glitter. Sorry, these ones. Bubblegum pink. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. This has, God, hold on. I was trying to tell if it has some of that galaxy glitter going on because it's so shimmery. I can't really tell, but all right. It doesn't say it is. It just says holographic glitter. And Click Fate is this design, cotton candy gradient shimmer. So some of the strips are like that ombre, and it definitely has a shimmer, and it has that kind of gold flash as well. And then Static Blues. Oh, this is oh no, it is an overlay. Float on a cloud of serenity with this overlay dusted in delicate iridescent flecks. So this is a Prism FX overlay, super similar to Peaked My Luminosity, which is retired. And actually, I really liked Peaked My Luminosity, but these colors look like it shift more towards the blues and the pinks. I'm not seeing the orange and kind of greens and yellows. I don't know if you can see anything in the color shift. Oh yeah, here you can kind of, as I go along. There you go. All right, so very nice colors together. Definitely light pastel, which I guess we could probably guess from the box that it was going to be these lighter pinks and purples, but I think they're really pretty together. My favorite are going to be these two for sure. I like this color. It reminds me a little of Pacific. Oh, what was that one called? Pacific Paradise. Let me see if I have a few sets to compare here. My first one I wanted to grab is Check. Oh yeah, not the same. Check Me Out is definitely more purple, more blue in that pink. So look at that's contrast. I was gonna grab. I have. Hold on. Where is it? This is the cotton candy colored one, Perfect Confection, that reminds me of this. Yeah, not really the same. This is very peachy compared to the pink and purple. This is more true of the cotton candy pink, but kind of has that similar feel to it. And then let me see if I have Peaked, and let me see if I have, I don't know if I have anything that would match that. Maybe that blue. So let me grab, oh, here. This one's kind of a similar tone to this one too. Look at, this is the Painted Dawn. Not exactly the same, but it has that same kind of vein. And then I'm gonna grab Peaked and Pacific. We'll just get the P's here. Let's get the whole box done. I think it was Pacific. Oh yeah, that's way, never mind, that doesn't match. And I'll grab it anyway. And Peaked. I don't know if I have any of that left. I need to load my alphabet. No, I don't. Not in here, at least. I probably do it in a partial. Hold on. This is the first thing I thought of, but really it does not match. Was Pacific Paradise. But look at, it's really, it's not, it has the same sparkle. Like look at the finish is definitely very similar. It just is different shade of blue. I can't think of anything else that would be close to that. So, off the top of my head, and I don't believe I have peeked. Let me see if I have it in my binder. So just a second. Didn't, this is the one thing when you don't look at them ahead of time, I can't pull them up. I don't know if I have peeked my luminosity pulled or open. Did I not save a set for myself either? I may not have. All right, that one I might not have worn, and I don't know if I have it. So I don't see it in my alphabetized sets. So there you go, some quick what's it called? Comparisons. But here it is, the Lost in a Daydream subscription box. Oh, can't forget the nail clips. Here we go, nail clips and 4 sets in February's subscription box. All right, you guys have a great day or night. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.